Creating faceless YouTube videos is one of the greatest side hustles to earn thousands of dollars as of right now. One of the highest earning niches in this category is movie summaries. This niche is earning literally tens of thousands of dollars, if not more. This is one of the channels with same niche. It has got more than 1.5 billion views. The movie niche gets approx $4 per thousand views. So if we calculate the lifetime earnings of this channel, it will be around $6 million. That is a lot of money just by summarizing movies. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make your own movie review channel and start earning. But before that, I would like you to like this video and subscribe to this channel so that I can bring more videos to help you guys start your own YouTube channel. Now coming back to the video, when you're starting with the channel, it requires the channel to meet the minimum requirement of YouTube before it can get monetized. The minimum requirement is at least 3 uploads, 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 hours of watch time. It can take days or even months to meet this requirement. I would recommend you guys to purchase the monetized channel. Imagine you have uploaded 20 videos, and out of them 5 of your videos gets viral and get millions of views. But your channel is not monetized, so you will not earn anything, probably missing out thousands of dollars. This is one of the main reasons of purchasing the channel. It will save you a lot of time and all the efforts to make your channel monetize, and you can start earning from day one. You must be wondering, how can you purchase the already monetized channel? You can use dfidave.com. Just select the niche, and they can get your channel monetized just in 1 week. Once we are ready with the channel, it's time for the next step, that is research. Now you have to look for the movies with the great stories, something which is interesting and the storyline can grab the viewer's attention. You can go to Netflix and Prime and look for the popular movies. Watch it and explain it in your own words and style. You can also use the other approach, that is, go to freelancing websites such as Fiverr and Upwork and search for movie recap script writer. You will find hundreds of content writers who can write the recap of any movie you want, just like most of the channels on YouTube does. They only charge $5 to $10 for a review, which is pretty affordable. So now I'm assuming that the script is done. Next, we need a voiceover for the script. There are 3 ways in which it can be done. First is, use your own voice to record the script. If you think you have a great voice, it is the easiest and perfect option. Second method is, hire a professional voiceover artist from Fiverr and Upwork. For that, just go to any of the platform and search for voiceover artist. You will find a lot of great artists who are ready to give their voice to your video. You can also filter the results according to your budget. Say your budget is $10. Just click on budget option and type in $5 to $10. It will filter out the results within your budget. Just select which artist is best for your video and you are good to go. Third method is to use text-to-speech AI voice from websites such as 11labs.io. I feel it has the best voices, which are so real that it is impossible to identify if it is AI or human. Moreover, 11 Labs also give 10,000 characters in its free plan. That is enough to generate 15 minutes of speech. You can use any of the 3 methods which suits best for you. Okay, now we have a channel, script, and a voiceover. All we are left with is the video. For this, we also have 2 methods. First is watch the movie and download it. Edit the scenes according to your script. It can be a time-consuming task depending on your skills. It will take decent editing skills and some practice to sync the voiceover with the video. If you are editing it yourself, just remember that YouTube allows 7 seconds of a clip of a movie. If you go over it, you can get the copyright strike. I will say do not use more than 5 seconds of the clip to be on the safer side. Just go to similar channels and watch few of their videos and note how long they use the clip in one cut scene, and follow the same process. The second method, which I highly recommend, is hire a professional from Fiverr or Upwork. They know the best and can provide you the video quickly. Just go to Fiverr and search for Movie Recaps Editor. Here you will find a lot of editors which can edit your video in just $10 to $20. Just send them your script and voiceover and you are good to go. Okay, so our video is also ready. Now for the final step. We need to write an engaging title for our video which generates curiosity in the minds of the viewers. Let's take an example. I will search for one of the most popular video in this channel. The title of the video is Real Story. 6-year-old boy fought in battles, becoming the youngest soldier of World War II. You see, the name of the movie is Soldier Boy, but in title it uses the youngest soldier of World War II. What it does is it creates the curiosity amongst the viewers, and as a result, it increases the click-through rate of the videos. More engaging audience and better click-through rate equals viral video. That's right. If you do this step correctly, there is a good chance that your first video can be viral. So play along with the title and try to invoke curiosity in viewers' minds so that they click on your video and watch it. This is to give positive signals to the YouTube algorithm, making your video go viral in no time. So if you follow these methods, you can earn thousands of dollars, if not more, every month. Just take action and don't be like 99% people who just watch the video and do nothing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video to others. See you in the next video.